Struggling to stay on track with your diet? Today, I'm going to show you how simple meal prep can make weight loss and bodybuilding easier than ever. No complicated recipes, no hours in the kitchen, just fast, effective, and muscle-friendly meals. I'm Coach D, and I've been helping athletes and everyday people crush their body goals for decades. Let's dive into some practical meal prep ideas you can use right away. Saves time. Controls calories and macros. And eliminates grab whatever food choices. Lean proteins, chicken, ground turkey, tilapia, eggs. Carbs, rice, sweet potatoes, oats. Veggies, broccoli, peppers, mixed greens. And healthy fats, avocado, almond butter, olive oil. Cook proteins in bulk using oven trays, slow cookers, or air fryers. Use rice cookers and instant pots for your carbs. Portion into containers right away and add flavor with calorie-friendly sauces. Chicken plus rice plus broccoli. Oats plus whey plus almond butter. Ground turkey stir-fry with peppers and onions. Prep 3 to 4 days at a time, not the whole week. Invest in good containers and rotate your proteins each week. Remember, you don't need fancy recipes, just consistency. Meal prep is about making your goals easier. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite go-to meal prep combo.